What are some strategies for reducing idle time and ensuring that cranes are operating at maximum efficiency during work hours?
Well, reducing idle time really comes down to a few key things: planning ahead, staying flexible, and building some relationships with reliable partners if you're able to. First off, you got to be able to see everything that's going on across your jobs and equipment. If you don't have a solid handle on what cranes are available, where your operators are, and what jobs are lined up in real time, it's easy to miss opportunities and take on additional labor and equipment costs. A good enterprise system can help bring all that into focus in one place so teams can make quicker, smarter decisions. Second, scheduling jobs so that equipment can move from one site to the next with minimal downtime or unbillable travel in between. Having a skilled dispatch team, real time tracking, and open communication with the field really makes all the difference. Also, strong partners matter. It's tough for any crane company to consistently run above 85% utilization without having a few trusted partners in the industry. By maintaining a good working relationship with some competitors, companies can take on more work than they might otherwise be able to handle. Knowing that cancellations and last minute adds are part of the business really gives flexibility, improved utilization, and often leads to getting reciprocal work when you can field it. Maintenance also plays a huge role. The companies that stay ahead of downtime are the ones that schedule service during known lulls, not during the busy stretches. That means tracking hours, planning ahead, and sticking to service schedules. It keeps cranes reliable and ready when the calls come in. So really, it's about having the tools in place to stay organized, being ready to adjust, and working together when it makes sense. The more you can plan ahead and react in real time, the better your chances of keeping your iron out there working and billing.